Hi, this is Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1. If you're looking forward to the unboxing video of Lila and her stuff, this is it. Today I'm going to unbox her accessories, and her dog Mighty May. And yesterday I posted a video with the NYC store displays. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. You can see what Lila's items look like in real life. In this video I'm going to unbox these 3 items. I'm going to show you everything in detail, and I'm going to talk about the quality, but I'm not going to talk that much about what I think about Lila's story. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video of my mom's point of view of Lila and her collection. She kind of really likes her now. But before I get into the unboxing, if you're new to this channel and interested in all things American Girl but not subscribed, please do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. I usually post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes I post on other days as well. I also post the latest American Girl news and leaks. I also post crafts and unboxing. Lila's box is pink and orange like most of her collection, and it has a lot of swirly things just like her belt bag. And I really like the font they used for her name. I think it looks really cool. Someone commented on our video that Lila looks like Britney Spears in Baby One More Time, and my mom's kind of obsessed. She's a big Britney fan, so she absolutely loved this about Lila. The fashion does kind of look like Y2K fashion. I think she's a really beautiful doll. And I want to talk about her book. Actually, this isn't a book, this is a journal. And I don't know how I feel about journals instead of books. I know my mom likes books better, but I think journals are cool too. Anyway, this journal has something interesting and unusual in it. It mentions McKenna Brooks. McKenna was Girl of the Year 2012, and now it's official that she's Lila's trainer. There's a whole section in the back of the book that talks about McKenna. This is the first time American Girl connected 2 official characters. I think this is really cool. It looks like American Girl's trying to create a more complex universe. This is definitely geared toward older collectors, but even younger collectors like myself can appreciate it. Let me know in the comments what you think about American Girl including McKenna and Lila's story. Would you like to see more characters interconnected like that? When Courtney came out, a lot of people said she should be Mary Ellen's granddaughter. Would you support that? Most Girls of the Year come with small accessories in the box already. Lila comes with 2 bracelets. The first bracelet has 3 colorful gems. They're yellow, pink, and orange. This perfectly fits in with Lila's color scheme. The string part of the bracelet is hot pink. The gems are attached to the metal parts. I'm actually impressed they're metal and not plastic. Here you can see them from the back. The string part allows this bracelet to be adjusted. You can make it larger or smaller. You just need to pull the strings. Now it's wide enough to put on a doll's wrist easily. And now if you want to make it smaller again, you can pull the ends of the strings. The second bracelet is made out of light blue plastic beads, and inside of it is a stretchy string. You don't have to adjust it or anything, it goes on a doll's wrist super easily. Now we're going to take her out of the box very carefully, and I just want to discuss a couple things about Lila. I know some people were disappointed she has an Italian last name but not an Italian look. In America, we think Italians have dark hair and dark eyes. This is the stereotype we see in movies. In actuality, people in Italy have different looks depending on where they live. And Lila's not even Italian. She's an American. She was born and raised in America. So one of her ancestors was Italian, and that's all we know. I know people with Italian heritage who'd love to have a doll that looks like them, but so far her Italian heritage didn't play any part in her story. Lila has a light skin tone. When I put her next to Isabel, her skin tone looked a little warmer and darker, but she's definitely not a medium skin tone. Her eyes are listed as amber on American Girl website, but they just look brown to me. I'm going to put an insert of what amber eyes look like in real life, and that's definitely not what Lila has. In real life, I've seen brown eyes that are lighter than this, so these kind of look like medium brown to me. I'm not an expert on American Girl freckle patterns, so I'm not sure if this pattern was used before. Let me know in the comments if you know more about this freckles pattern. All I can say is it's really cute. She has feathered eyebrows and painted eyelashes. Also, I wanted to make sure we picked a good doll at the store. We wanted to make sure she had even eyes and even lip paint. But this is Josefina mold, and I don't see a lot of wonky eyes with the Josefina mold. Now we're going to take a closer look at her wig. Her wig has hair of 3 different colors. There's medium brown, caramel, and blonde. This is a very beautiful combination, and it looks very natural on Lila. I tried to take the hairnet off as careful as I could. I didn't want to ruin her hairstyle. Her hair looked really good in American Girl store yesterday. As you can see, her hair doesn't look quite as good out of the box, but that's an easy fix. I think overall it's a really nice wig. It's not thin like Kira's. It's full enough, but it's not super full like the older dolls had. Let me show you the back of her wig. You can see the curls aren't really the best, but it's not a big deal for me to recurl doll's hair. If you want me to do a video tutorial on it, let me know in the comments below. Now I want to talk about the top. It's hot pink or magenta color, and it has silver sparkles on it. The fabric is very stretchy. It's the kind of fabric that was used in several birthstone outfits. It's kind of a simple top, but overall I like it. It kind of has a turtleneck on the top, and the design on the back is very simple too. The design is simple to draw attention to the fabric. The top is all about the sparkle. Now let's talk about her pants. They're this light pink color, and the fabric is velour. These pants are similar to what Lorelai Gilmore wore once. Remember when it said juicy on the back? Let me know in the comments if you remember that episode. The hot pink string is purely decorative. It doesn't even go around the waistband. It's just there for the cute style. I really like the stripes on the side of the pants. The colors are hot pink, orange, and yellow. Her entire meat kind of reminds me of Julie's colors. Now let's take a look at her shoes. The shoes are made out of plastic, and there's Velcro on the side. I'm okay with the shoes. I don't love them, but I don't hate them either. One of our viewers commented they looked like these shoes from Prada. I have to admit they kind of look very similar. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about the shoes. I can see how some people would hate them, especially since they're made out of plastic entirely. I also wanted to show you guys Lila has a star printed on her left foot. I know there was an image on the internet of Julie with a star printed on her foot. Now it turns out Lila has it too. It's only the left foot. The right foot doesn't have a star. I personally don't care either way. Please let me know in the comments what you feel about this new feature. So here's Lila out of the box, and I haven't restyled her hair yet. I kind of like the hairstyle. She does look like Britney Spears. And overall, I think she's a really cute doll. I can see how she'd be a good seller for American Girl. Let me know what you think about Lila and if you're planning to get her. And now we're going to take a look at Lila's meat accessories. They retail at $30 if you buy them by themselves, but if you buy them with the doll, you get $5 off. The accessories come in Lila's signature colors and pattern. Let's see what's inside. Right on the top, there's this belt bag. I really like the swirly design. I think the belt bag is super cute, and I'm really happy the zipper works and you can put stuff inside of it. It kind of feels plasticky, but that's what belt bags are made out of. It's the kind of fabric that's waterproof. The belt part of the bag can unbuckle, and your doll can wear it several different ways, just like people do. Now let's take a look at the glasses. They're this bright orange color, and they're very simple in design. I think they're really cool. I think Lila looks really good in them. I have no issues with glasses at all. The next item is a smartphone, and at first I thought it didn't have a slot to put the screens in, but it turns out it kind of opens. There are 2 things in the back and you can take it apart, and then you can put the screen in. The screen that the set comes in has two sides, so you can pick whichever one you like. Both screens are in Lila's signature colors, and after you pick which screen you like, you can assemble the phone. It's super easy. There's also this phone case. It's made out of flexible plastic. It has a handle on the back so your dog can hold the phone. Here's a sheet with hair gems. I'm personally not a big fan of those. The sticky part can leave some glue on doll hair, but I think they are fun for a younger crowd. And another item is a bunch of colorful rubber bands. You can probably buy very similar ones at Dollar Tree, but I'm sure they're fun to use for different hairstyles. The accessory set also comes with this booklet on different hairstyles. It shows you how to create different hairstyles that are featured in Lila's book. They're not too complicated, and I think this is a cute piece to have in the accessory set. Let me know in the comments if you'd like for me to recreate these hairstyles on our channel. This is everything that came in the set. I think everything's super cute and fun. Let me know in the comments what you think about Lila's accessories. Honestly, at first we thought Lila had a very childish collection, but I kind of don't see it that way. Let me know in the comments what you think. Now we're going to open this Corgi. Her name is Mighty May, and she retails at $20. As I started reading this journal, I found out this dog doesn't belong to Lila. Lila goes to horse riding camp, and the Corgi lives there. When we went to American Girl Place yesterday, we saw several different Corgis on displays, and they all looked very different. Some of them were cuter than others. I was really hoping to get the one that had a cute face, but there's no way to choose because the boxes are sealed. I'm happy to let you know that we got the one with the cute face. I think she's super adorable. Her fur is super soft. The only issue I have is that her collar is sewn into her body, but overall I highly recommend this toy. And most American Girl pets right now are $30, so I'm happy she's $20. She doesn't come with a magnetic toy, but I don't care about those. So this is everything I wanted to show you today. I'm considering buying a few other items from Lila's collection, thinking about getting her pajamas and practice outfit, and possibly the gym bag. Let me know what you think about Lila and her collection in the comments below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all things American Girl but not yet subscribed, please do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. I usually post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes I post on other days as well. I always post the latest American Girl news and leaks. I also post crafts and unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.